Five bangers. Okay. So we're gonna do a little thing for you. Me. Sounds good. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's so wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever afters did exist, I would still be holding you like this. Hey, stop. Who the fuck is that? Who is that? It's a dude, right? It's a dude. That's amazing. That was amazing until like the 5th time, and I want to kill you. But that was amazing. I started laughing at, look, we screwed up. You guys, you did it right. Security. Just kidding. I love you, bro. You screaming motherfuckers. You're gonna do it again too. Watch. You guys want to go from that same spot? All those fairy tales are full of shit. Okay. I'm sorry about the disturbance, folks. That will not happen again. The giggles will not happen again. I thank you very much.
Team Blake sucks.
All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Now